Okay guys, so Python string. Python string is a sequence of Unicode, and Unicode is a much larger package, or what can I say? Unicode is a much larger thing of data types, or storage space of data types, you can say. So so what is a string? This is an online course. This is a string, and we have stored it in S. I can show you by print type S. Type S. If we run it, it will show you the data type string. And if we just write S, it will print the string, obviously. And we can also use single quotes. This will also work. No error will be shown. For using multi-line comments, multi-line statements or strings, you can use triple commas. Oops. Now it is a multi-line string. Okay, so we run it. There is no problem. You can look at the code, the output. It's the multi-line string. Similarly, you can use single quotes also in multi-line. You would write yourself. I'll not show this, but it will work. So this again becomes single. So we have to okay. So this is a string. Okay. Now the string has uh, numbers assigned to it, which start from 0, 1, 2. We write print S0 in square bracket, S0 in square bracket, S in normal brackets. So S0 means T. Let me show you how it's assigned. It is online. This is online AI course. So this will have 0, this will have 1, this will I will have 2, S will have 3, and so on. So T has 0, address of 0, H has address of 1. So that's why when we print address of 0, it prints T. When we print address of 1, it will print H. Address of H. The other thing is slicing in this. Like when we slice a string, it is nothing but a S and a square bracket with the address of the variable from where you want to slice and till where you want to slice, like 5 to 8 in 1 0 1 2 3 4 5. It will print from S to 6 7 8 L, or only N. S to N, it will print S to N. We run it. Okay, it print S between S and N, which is so. Or you can use 5 to the end. This means to the end. If we use it if we leave it blankly, it is still end. And space is also considered a address, so it will contain address. So if we run from 5 till the end, this is the fifth. You can see it above. This is the fifth address, and from here it will print this much. See the cursor, this will print this much from fifth. Okay, so this was about string and slicing and all. Any questions can be written in comments and it will be answered. Thank you.